Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're going to be changing this single-handled drippy cartridge inside. A common problem, but there's not much to it. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. So I'm going to start by valving my water off at the street. If you have a cutoff handy, you can use that instead. I like to know that everything is off, so I use the street cutoff. Right there would be your turnoff, and if it's running parallel with the pipe, then it's on. Go ahead and give it a quarter turn to the right to close it off. Now we'll open our front spigot to drain the building. Now that the water's cut off, let's go ahead and remove the handle. I've got an Allen wrench on top. All right, handle comes off. Now you can tell by these two little slots right here. This is old school, but it's got two little notches right here, which tells me that I'm supposed to be able to get a wrench on that and spin it off. I don't think I need to pull off the wall plate to get to the cartridge. You might have to. That spun it off. Now I have this piece inside, and just make sure you pay attention when the stuff comes out, because if you have a broken one, you might need to know how it goes back in there. Sometimes it's good to take a picture of it. So the one I have looks just like it, but it's got this clip on here. I'm probably gonna have to remove that. Let's pull this out. And make sure you notice these little slots. You can see like my piece is a circle, but then it's got a little notch right there. It tells you which way to put it in. See if I can pry this out gently. Okay, I have another piece here. And another piece. Okay, well it looks like it's pretty easy to see which way mine goes in, and I'm sure it's got the clip on it because it's a pain in the butt. So, I'm going to pull this clip off. Be sure to hold all of the pieces together, obviously what this clip is doing, and it doesn't look like that gets installed. All right, remember your notch. And we're gonna slip it right in there. Just like so. Ring goes on. Now you may be wondering where I got mine. Well, I took the piece out and took it down to my local plumbing store, and they can pretty much find you whatever you want. You may have to wait for it, but you should be able to replace any cartridge that you can find. Take it out, take it to them, come back and put it in. Easy. I'm gonna hand tighten this, and then I'll snug it down a little more with the wrench. Careful of the finish. Quarter turn did it. Handle goes back on. Water is on and doing awesome. And we're bone dry. So that's it, super easy. You just saved yourself $100+ from getting a plumber to do it. It's literally that easy. I hope I saved you some money. So for the Home Mender, this is Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.